Without Limits. My name is Drew Victor, your host for today. Thank you so much. Have a good morning.
Alright, to finally conclude and close this this event, may I please request everyone punta po dito sa stage for our photo.
Sa
Photo
ba?
ops. Opo. Yung iba po sa taas, sa baba na lang yung iba.
Welcome, Bornholm Park. Salamat. Ano, lakad tayo?
Kayo ah.